What's the meaning of come? Come. Come.
Come. Come. Come is a common verb in English that indicates movement towards a particular location or person. The word is often used in expressions such as come over, come here, and come closer. In general, the term suggests an action of approaching or arriving at a destination from a different location. The result of using come is the physical movement of the subject towards a specified location or person. This can convey a sense of urgency, invitation, or intention to join others in a particular setting or activity.